A $1.6 billion infrastructure project in India has been embroiled in controversy. It's popularly known as the Char Dham project. It has been pitting the Indian Ministry of Defence against environmentalists. India's top court, in fact, is hearing an application from the Ministry of Defence which seeks to modify the court's earlier order. The Defence Ministry is essentially wanting to increase the width of the road in order to move missile launchers, weapons to the northern India-China border. Currently, the width of the road is restricted to 5.5 meters by a previous Supreme Court order, which the Army is seeking to change. Appearing for the centre, Attorney General K.K. Venugopal told the top court that India's BrahMos missile is 42 feet long and needs large vehicles to carry its launchers. If the army cannot move its missile launchers and machinery up to the northern border with China, then how will it fight a war if it breaks out? To better understand why the government is fighting a case in the top court, we need to know what the Char Dham project is. The 900-kilometer long project aims to provide all-weather connectivity to 4 holy towns in the state of Uttarakhand. The towns are Yamunotri, Gangotri, Kedarnath and Badrinath. Prime Minister Narendra Modi opened the project by laying the foundation stone. This was in December 2016. The controversy over the project, though, started in 2018 when it was challenged by an NGO for its potential impact on the environment. The Supreme Court then formed a high-powered committee to examine the issue. In 2020, the HPC submitted 2 reports. The Supreme Court upheld the one which limited the width of the road to 5.5 meters. This was based on a 2018 guideline issued by the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways. But then the Ministry of Defence moved an appeal before the top court, asking that the carriageway should be increased to 10 meters. Environmentalists say that a wider road requires additional slope cutting, tunnelling, deforestation, all of which will further destabilize the Himalayan terrain and thereby increase chances of landslides and flash floods. The government of India, while arguing its case, has maintained that landslides have occurred in other parts of India as well, and as such, natural disasters have nothing to do with the project. WION now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.